Hi, in front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the buttons. If you wish to select photos, hold the chosen one and use those type of dots at the top right corners to select all of them. If you wish to exclude some pictures that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And then to delete the rest, use Delete button at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete your photos from albums, click on Albums, tap on the chosen one, hold one of your pictures as well, but this time click on Select All at the top right corner. You can exclude your pictures the same way as before and also delete them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!